This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by redeeming the Play Store voucher inside Alipay. This converts the code into Alipay balance. First, open Alipay and go to the voucher or gift code section, enter the code, and confirm. Once done, check your Alipay balance and transaction history so you know the exact credited amount. Make sure your Alipay account has identity verification and any required bank card or cash-out method already set up. Those prerequisites enable the next transfer steps to Gcash. Now convert Alipay balance into a form Gcash accepts. If Alipay allows direct bank withdrawal in your region, send funds to your linked bank account, then use Gcash's cash-in via bank transfer or InstaPay. Alternatively, use a reputable peer-to-peer exchanger. Post or accept an exchange order, transfer your Alipay balance to the exchanger, and they'll send PHP to your Gcash number. When choosing exchangers, check ratings, fees, and confirmation times, double-check recipient details before you send funds. Finish by confirming the PHP arrived in your Gcash wallet. Open Gcash, check cash and history, and keep screenshots for proof. If the transfer is delayed or missing, first verify transaction ID and timestamps on both Alipay and the exchanger or bank. Then contact the service used, exchanger support, Alipay or Gcash, providing evidence and clear timestamps. As a quick troubleshooting tip, don't retry sending funds immediately. Gather receipts and let support reconcile the pending transaction to avoid duplicate transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.